Okay, I caved. Might have bought something. Yeah, I thought I'd share with you guys the little purchase I made. Ta-da! We have some MPOW M12 wireless earbuds. It's really bright, I quite like it. That's a nice box. So here we have the MPOW M12. This was originally £30, but it was reduced to £23, but it also had a £3 voucher, so it was £20.99 I got it for on Amazon. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, that's a bit stiff. There we go. That's a nice box for that MPOW reflecting off there. And then on the inside, ooh, there we go, everyone. They're actually an okay size. My first impression, at least. Everything is so stiff. Ah. Okay, I'm just gonna have to take this whole thing out. Worst unboxing video ever. Ooh. We've got a nice USB-C cable. Nice. We've also got some earbud cushions to fit in our ears properly. Nice 2-year warranty. We've got the pairing instructions. We'll put those aside. We'll come to those in a second. Let's take a look at these. So this case is bigger than the Apple Airpods case. So this is the fake Airpods. These are i12s, but the size is still identical to real Airpods. So just a size comparison. The MPOW is a lot bigger, but for like 90% less for the price, I think it's pretty good. So on the MPOW, you've got the battery indicator here, and on the back you've got USB-C charging port. Let's try get these out. So here are the earbuds. Oh, it's got a nice magnetic lock on there. Oh, okay, apparently the pairing process has already started. The cushions, I think they're a bit slightly too big. Or they are just right, I can't quite tell. I think they're fine. They do stick out a bit more than AirPods. Alright, I've turned it on. Gonna try play some music. Can't hear background noise. They do have a nice bass to it. Oh wow. So one press and hold turns the volume up. You can see it. If I let go, it will stop moving. And then the left side should turn it down. That's pretty cool. Quite like that. And then a double tap supposed to, this side, a double tap should take the song right back to the start. And then this side, that paused it. Okay, there we go. It needs a bit of a delay between the taps. Yeah. Okay, I haven't mastered the left side yet. I think it's very comfortable. Like, I could probably keep it in for quite a long time, but I have to update you on that another time. But it doesn't fall out of my head, which is great. Right side is playing, but the left side is inside, turned off. And if I take it out, it turns on straight away and it starts playing. That's really cool. I put them both back in the case and they've turned off very nicely. Yeah, that's basically my quick little video on the MPOW M12. I think I'm definitely going to get the use out of it for only £20 compared to the £250 or £209 I'd spend on the Airpods Pros. I think these will definitely be a good substitute. It is a nice little case. I mean, it is bigger than the AirPod-ish. I mean, actually, oh yeah, slightly bigger. Definitely looking forward to running with these and testing them out. Yeah, that's all from me today. I'm just showing you a quick little update on the new purchase. I also have something else that I bought. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm really busy, so I'm gonna open that another time. Yeah, that's basically it from me. Just wanted to update you on my new purchase. Definitely looking forward to running with these and testing them out. There's also no problems with water or sweat with these because it's an IPX rating of 8 and the AirPod Pros are only an IPX4. So I've seen some like water damage tests and that's kind of why I decided to get this. It's just like peace of mind and for like basically £200 less. Anyway, that is all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the little quick video of my new MPOW purchase. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, helps me out. I'll be sure to make some new videos soon. I'm super busy right now with all my uni stuff, but when I do have free time I will be making some more videos. So stay tuned, still lots to come. I'll see you guys soon.